Welcome to Biophilians Kitchen. In this video, we shall see how to identify the BAEL trees, procedure for making Kashaya using these leaves, and discuss the benefits as explained by Dr. Khadar sir. The scientific name of BAEL leaves is Aegle Marmelos. It is commonly known as Bilvam in India. Since it is used in the worship of Lord Shiva, these trees are planted in Shiva temples. These leaves are generally trifoliate, that is, each leaf has 3 leaflets. However, we also find some rare varieties of BAEL trees which have leaves with 5 as well as 9 leaflets. Bilva trees have strong thorns and hard fruits like these. These leaves can be got from vendors who sell flowers, Bermuda grass and other puja materials near temples. Ingredients: BAEL leaves half fistful, structured water 200 ml, steel strainer. Preparation method: now place a clay pot and turn on the stove. Pour structured water and allow it to boil on a medium flame. In the meantime, let's rinse the leaves. These leaves are plucked from a terrace garden, so it is enough if we simply rinse them in structured water. If bought from outside, immerse them in tamarind solution for 10 minutes and later rinse in structured water. This kashaya is sufficient for one person. Water has just started to boil. Now let's add the BAEL leaves to the boiling water. Ensure all the leaves are immersed well. Allow it to boil on a low flame for 2 minutes. According to Dr. Khadar sir, it is ideal to take kashayas on empty stomach to derive maximum benefit and better absorption. When kashaya is taken as the first thing in the morning, it works as a medicine. Now, turn off the stove, cover it with a lid and strain after 3 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, let us list out the benefits of this kashaya as stated by Dr. Khadar sir. BAEL leaves kashaya has countless benefits. It occupies the 4th place in the list of SAPTAPATRA Kashayas suggested by Dr. Khadar sir, meant to enhance the immunity levels in our body. This helps in getting de-addicted from consumption of tea, coffee, alcohol, drugs, gutka, excess consumption of food and also smoking. Provides relief from pain anywhere in the body. Acts as a perfect remedy for all heart-related ailments. Helps in correcting the hormonal imbalance. Helps in mitigation of ailments like varicose veins, varicocele, hydrocele. Useful to alleviate all ailments related to the liver and nerves. Beneficial for people suffering from issues like HIV, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, SLE, autism, motor neuron disease, multiple sclerosis, filariasis, mouth ulcers, and muscle cramps. Also acts as an effective remedy for brain and abdominal cancers. It's 3 minutes now. Let's remove the lid and strain it using a steel strainer. Our BAEL leaves kashaya is ready now. It can be consumed either lukewarm or after it completely cools down. Thank you for watching.